Báiste, bhí sé múraí le charmaidin is massa tróna. It was showers and showery in the morning and the afternoon. As a chin harta the coog stoi, probably around 4, but you're catching coog maybe around 5:30. Has in the báiste chin janaun chin harta leabhar coog gerai. Go genius is thoughts. So from around 5:30 or thereabouts starts to properly rain. And it still is rainy. So if you might get out of shul, make your own shul if you go, I know it's near I love my little master. Twice I tried to go for a walk today, but the weather is just too crap. Rohanna, ufasach. Agus. So that gohaj shanaujach bra lahana, especially after the weather being so lovely the other day. Arrow more milchach. So the major timer kujak numa the chat. I'm just putting a timer for 15 minutes for the live stream now. Imagine the Krilla Bill, Jack Kujak Numa, Manimor and Mam. I don't have much time as Jagaidi Jernach. I only have time for maybe a 15-minute stream at Jagaidi Jernach. And Yekimeran is Krilla Bill Fos. I don't see anyone in the live stream yet. Yeah, go in at the band Shear for anyone that's watching back on the live stream. You can leave comments. Say leave comment tracht, na agus comments. As general yield. I'll do my best to answer any questions in the comments. Agus my been a kirchnish Love Hate. I'm almost finished with Love Hate now. Agus if I get a couple episodes, it's been my kirchnish in Love Hate. A few more episodes and I'll be finished with it. So mata ein multi-yagi hom chlorelle, ma tainrod Netflix, RT Player, Disney, Amazon Prime Video, etc. Fifth Shabagals in the comments. You can leave any recommendations in the comment section. So anything, if you have any videos you recommend. If I can couple in this Krilla Bear now, there's a few people in the live stream now. So, Jabe, hello, welcome everyone to the live stream. I know on Carol Jeg, Mayul, today is the 15th of July. Agus Falche, Gajin live stream. Welcome to the and. We should get to my most show that in it. I intended to be out going out for a short walk now, but instead of doing the walk, my other not shit. Because of the bad weather, I decided to do a live stream. So I'm watching the Krilla Bill in this. So there's Jimmy Garcia. What country do you live in? Aiden, I live in Ireland. I'm a Mahoney in Aiden. Agus Keas Huhain, Jimmy. Where are you from yourself, Jimmy Garcia? Agus I'm from Arizona, America. From Arizona, the United States. Oh, come on. Lovely. Kin Tom, what time is it there? It's Stoig which Jazz Chedham, I presume it's lovely, warm and dry in Arizona, not like here. 115 degrees Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit, I presume. Yeah, that's too hot. Rohe, that's too hot. For me, that's too hot. You might be able to boil a cup of tea in that weather. Better man a cup of tea in the chin. Durch dog, I think I can tell where you're from. Come on. Yeah, where am I from? Where chaos my dog? Been Jack Russell. So profile picture, is that a Jack Russell I see in your profile picture, dog? There's Jimmy Garcia. Not too humid. Okay, yeah. And Laurish, so it's 12:30 in the afternoon in Arizona. Okay, come on, Intach. Yeah, no, that's so 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Shin Arthas Kinrod Hoyd came Celsius. That's about what 40 Celsius roughly or thereabouts. Yeah, so that's about 40 Celsius. I presume maybe a bit more than 40, 41, 42 Celsius possibly. Roha, too hot for me as an Irishman. I would melt. But might be good weather for making tea. Might be good weather to make tea. You might be able to just leave the water outside and it might boil the water for you, make nice tea. Beige it, maybe. Anyway, there's Timmy. So the Jimmy agus Timmy. I have a Jimmy and a Timmy in the comments. So there's Timmy, obviously you're Irish. And a gentleman and a brother. Goma. Tá still go to Goma, Jimmy. I hope you're keeping well, Timmy. Hope things are well there. And I was just saying, I was just saying earlier in the live stream there, so I'm almost finished watching Love Hate, crime drama series that was done about 15 years ago or so here in Ireland. It's an Irish-made crime drama series that was done about 15 years ago. It's very good. But I'm almost finished with it. A couple episodes. I've only a few episodes left. So I'm looking forward to looking for something else to watch because I'm only 2 episodes left. So if you have any recommendations for me, you can leave it in the comments or in the stream here. Careful. You have a telly, be careful. We'll test melon. Oh yeah, well Tamakurmach. I'm careful. Fáilte Corca, their Jade his own. Just his own by Cliffamore a Corca. Jerry Shacht Jadon the Shahaga. You have a big game as in a Tipadaran. Jadon the Shahagan. So you have a big game in the All Ireland final. Shilling go off for Cork. I think Cork will win. I think Cork will win. Vi me or Cork another. Cork were unlucky last year against Clare in the final. So I think this year they will win it. Shilling go off. I think they will. Yeah. Corkaboo. Agus will an aim go done chin fresh in the Corca. Is the weather awful there as well in Corca? Like it is here and in the Seir, like it is here on the Iron Islands and in the Seir. We have a lag and kindche here. We have a saying here in idiom when it's heavy downpour like it is now. Say tasha in aun. It is in a river, I suppose. Tasha in aun. It's doing a river. Tasha in aun. It's doing a river. So mata ein chest, do you have any question for me, a native Irish speaker from the Iron Islands? I'll do my best to answer any questions. If any questions you have. So there's 7.5 minutes left in the live stream. 7.5 minutes left in the live stream, and I'll be going off to eat something. That's it. I'm getting a bit hungry. As a guy you're about journal fishing, but it's catch it out hot. It's getting a bit late. It's after 8:30, and I'll be wanting to have something to eat fresh. I'll be wanting to eat something as well. So, well, there's Mama. If you have any questions for me, I'll do my best to answer any questions. Agus you're very quiet. You're very quiet in the live stream. No questions for me, no. So there's about 6 minutes left in the stream, so you better get your questions in because I'll be leaving in about 6 or so minutes actually. So maar doors met my brand new Love Hate. As I said, I'm not watching Love Hate. It's it's well written and it's fantastic and well written and the acting is brilliant. But the characters I don't like the characters. None of them are likable. They're well written, but they're not likable. The characters look ufasach, they're all awful. So the characters to the look ufasach, they're all awful. ach tá sé scéifta go má. Tá sé in aisce tá sé RT player. It's available on RT player, so it's free. So that's what I'm doing. It's free, so at least that much. Ní channels Netflix no Disney. It's not like Netflix or Disney. You don't have to pay for it. Well, tax. I had to get con on tax TV licenses and are gone. We might get con. I pay tax, so my tax money's going towards that. RT player. General fin RT player chun sulcarm na been let it ads. Oh, been a hack ag RT player. Ads. Ufas donna. RT player is so bad with ads. Rivins to Brando Road being a bit of kid in the whole guide. Excuse me. So before the show, Love Hate, Marhumpla, being had a kid in the whole guide. Bit of hard nomad. There's about 2 minutes of unskippable ads you have to watch before Love Hate comes on. And then Law and Fish, and then in the middle of the video, you'll get another four ads. Each ad is typically on 30 seconds, about 2 minutes. So it's very immersion breaking in that. Very irritating. As coward been RT player a bit glitchy. I've noticed sometimes the RT player can be a little bit glitchy. But it's free, so I suppose that's one of the things you have to. It's free. Rant about for RT players, just a little rant there about an RT player. Even though it's free, there's still glitches and ads. It's the ads that are the most important, annoying things. And ads, the smash, the smoochins can't learn. It's the ads that kind of irritate me most. You're very quiet. No questions for me tonight, this evening, no? Are you watching anything interesting on the telly yourselves? Any recommendation for me to watch, as I'll soon be finishing Love Hate, as I said, a couple of episodes left. May ship a brand new film, are you watching any interesting films, or would you have done anything similar to Are you doing anything interesting? I doubt if you're in Ireland anyway, if you're in Ireland, you won't be out for lovely walks anyway, because the weather we're having at the moment is so new one, which I go for after not only is it windy, but it's also heavy rain. So when you get the when you get the combination of wet and windy, it's awful. When you watch a couple of nomads the live stream, there's only 3 minutes left in the live stream, so Bishop, there's a live stream creating by my upload a live stream. So when the live stream is finished, I'll be uploading anyway. So you can look back and maybe there's some interesting words I may have said earlier, like aun for a downpour. That's a saying we have here in the Sire. When it's a downpour like it is now, you say tasha aun or tasha in aun. Tasha aun. It's in a river. When it's a downpour, it's in a river. So maybe you'll be able to look back on the stream, and I might have said other interesting words that you might find interesting, I should say. You can go back in the live stream and give it a like as well. Don't forget to give it a like. If you have any questions for a native Irish speaker from the Iron Islands, I do my best to answer, and you can leave questions in the comments as well, in post. So after the stream is uploaded, you can look back at any time and you can ask any question. You can ask me a question and I'll do my best to answer. I'll do my best to answer any questions. Sure, Gus, it's not don't forget to like. Courage is an algorithm. It helps with the algorithm when people give my videos a like. So courage, it helps. Shan spruk tam na mile subscriber. So my target is to target spruk SPRIOC spruk. Shan spruk tam na mile subscriber so I want to get 1,000 subscribers. That's my spruk, that's my target. So Gormagi Cholochanit Malanat. Thank you everyone that's that's a live stream, that's following me, that's subscribed to me, or anyone that's looking back in the live stream. Thank you very much for subscribing because it helps the channel. And Tungancha Spragancha chilla videos, Tungancha Mishnachum. It encourages Spraga to encourage Spraga SPREIGDH Spraga. So Spragancha Mala chilla videos, Fishani agus Tungancha Mishnachum, and it gives me hope as well to do more videos. So so thank you everyone who gives a view. It helps the algorithm and subscribe to me and gives a like as well. So it all matters in the end. So Calvin Chaluk, for a small tiny little channel like myself that's trying to promote Gaelic, good proper native Irish. There's not much native Irish on YouTube, not really. A few I think possibly, but not many. Shouldn't Finumad Kujag Numad catch, so that's the 15 minutes gone. But I'll continue off another minute or two. But even though no one is asking me questions, ye are awful quiet. Tasha Bufas are cute. Tasha Bufas are cute. Couldn't Numad no one. I'll do another minute or two. Ficky my busy there to make it catch team. Maybe someone will ask me a question. So well sinna aimimsir the chaig an aimimsir that's the weather agus yes here. I'm looking out the window here. South, this is south here, and there's a horse in the field there. So it's a couple some buile. So we say buile here for field, buile. So buile is like a small field. So all the fields here on the islands, on the Iron Islands, they're all small. So buile. We wouldn't really say park. Park is generally maybe a large field, but we don't have many large fields. A park pelle, for example, we'd say go to go park pelle. You're going over to the football pitch, or if there's a particularly large field, some people might say the park. Someone who owns the field, they might call it the park. But generally speaking, 95% of the time we say buile. We'll say buile as opposed to park. Gort as well. Gort is another word that would be said for field, but again, much less so here. But buile would be by far the most commonly used word to describe a field. You can say gari as well, gari. But that generally refers to a garden. Garden as in planting a garden, like potato garden, vegetable garden, for example, gari. I have a couple of gardens. I have a few fields called gari. So I have potatoes planted and kale and other vegetables. So sanari. But buile then would be a field where it'd be just grass. You wouldn't have potatoes or vegetables growing in it. So buile. So a few more people in the live stream, but no questions. If you see a few more people in the live stream, but no questions. You're awfully quiet. Yeah, so I'll do one more minute. So you have one more minute, and then I'll be heading off because it's getting a bit late here. It's getting a bit late and a bit hungry as well. Oh, it's Carol 9. It's 9:15 now. So yeah. So ben bimish salab go hondo So I'm usually in bed 10:30 thereabouts. Maybe 10:30 or 11. So I'm usually in bed. So I'm just gonna hold a couple of like I'll be I'll be snoring in a couple of hours. Agus so well that's what Germany's me law more. I hope to God tomorrow will be a lot better. Agus be my girl my head van. Well to my girl go my van. It's on the Lervas for love hate club. So I'm hoping that my wife will do a video with me reviewing, or maybe not reviewing, but discussing egg play love hate. So we'll be discussing love hate beidir fi an rubini switch. So hopefully a longer video, maybe cúteag nó other 20 minutes video, so be beach piece of Spraoi. Tásúlam. Tá sí rubba coolach. She's a little bit shy, so we'll see. Anyway, sin finu mal caite agus ní léir an eile fiúr kisnim, so no one else is asking me questions. So I'll leave it there. Gurmagi cholach in the black parts create about. Thank you everyone who participated in the live stream. Tásúlam metrnúna. I hope you all have a lovely evening or afternoon or wherever you may be in the world, in Arizona, like Jimmy Garcia. Yeah, Kerkalor. Gurmina magi cholach in. Thank you everyone who participated. Slán go fóil, slán anish, slán.